told you there was an easier way to go from a simple topic idea to a YouTube video script very quickly. That's where Canva comes in. It's so effortless. I'm mad that I didn't think about it when they announced that Magic Switch was a new feature. Magic Switch allows you to quickly resize, translate, or transform your designs. It's most commonly used for design purposes. However, you can actually use it as a brainstorming partner for your YouTube videos. Here I am in a design and I'm going to click Magic Switch. And you're going to notice, just like I mentioned, there's resize, translate, and transform doc. I most commonly will use it to change a 16:9 image into a square one. So let me go here and just show you what that would look like. So I would probably just go to Instagram post. I typed in Insta at the top, continue, and it's going to give me a preview of what it would look like. And that's fine because we can fix it later. And we can copy and resize or just resize so that it would resize straight here. And at this point, I could make some adjustments so that it would work for the square. You might be wondering how you can use this to help you write your scripts. What I'm going to do is just go up here to the Canva homepage. We would click presentations, but we're actually just going to click this one right here, presentation 16:9. Most document types have the magic switch, so it really doesn't matter what type of document you start off with. I'm just going to write a topic idea. Maybe the title of the video would be, or the topic idea would be, the easy way to make vegan pancakes. If you've been here for a while, you know pancakes is just a long time running joke. It doesn't matter what it looks like. I just typed T on my keyboard and that brought up the text box and wrote the phrase. Watch this. We're going to click Magic Switch. Go to Transform into a document. When you do that, it gives you some options. Summary, all text, blog post, email, poem, song lyrics. We're going to click Blog Post. Transform into a doc. It's going to take a little bit because it's creating a blog post potentially for this phrase. I don't recommend using it exactly how it's going to spit it out. However, after I show you what it's done for this prompt, I'm going to show you how I utilize this tool for today's video. There it is, copy and transformed. It's going to create a new file for you. So open up the doc. Are you ready to be amazed? This could be someone's script for vegan pancakes. Are you a pancake lover who's trying to shift towards more plant-based diet? Perhaps you're a longtime vegan who misses the fluffy comfort of pancakes on a lazy Sunday morning. Either way, we've got some good news for you. Making vegan pancakes is not only possible, it's also straightforward and tell me this is not a good hook for a YouTube video. They call it a blog post. I call it a hook. This is actually a Canva Pro feature. I'll leave a link for you in the description box below for a free trial if you don't have Canva Pro. It talks about why vegan pancakes, like it even gives you a recipe and how to make it. Oh my gosh. So you could take this, literally, you could take this, work your script around it. Does that make sense? And even better, it's formatted like a blog post, so you could even use it as a blog post or in your description or on your YouTube community tab. I mean, like, this is just a game changer for YouTube videos. Again, I don't recommend using it exactly how it comes out because some things may be wrong. You may want to include things in your videos that this does not include, or let me show you what I did for today's video. So I'm going to go to home, put everything for today's video in a folder. So I'm going to go to my projects, And I'm going to go to March 2024 video planning. And then here is Magic Switch. So I'm going to open this one up first. My prompt was the easy way to generate script ideas with Canva Magic Switch. Now, I already had my idea. I've came up with this accidentally. And so I already had a good idea of what I was going to say, but Canva made it a little easier to put into words exactly how I was feeling. And I did that. And here is what it generated for me. And I just included original and titled it March 2024 Magic Switch Script. Now, I immediately knew that this was not going to work for me. So I highlighted it and then used the strike through on it so that I would know just sort of not to use that bit at all. Here is actually my version of that, my hook. What if I told you there was an easier way to go from simple idea for your YouTube video to an outline script? Here's where I got that from. What if there was an easier way? That's where Canva Magic Switch comes in. And I said, that's where Canva comes in. And I used Magic Switch here. So do you see how I took the original one that Canva gave me? I made it my own version right here. And then I broke it down in parts. I knew that I wanted part 1, part 2, part 3, right? And we're right here where I said, again, I don't recommend using it exactly how it is. Let me show you how, right? So it's sort of just a generalized idea. So I knew exactly what I wanted to film today before I even filmed it, including the prompt, right? Phrase for the easy way to make vegan pancakes. I even have potential endings for the video. And that was not in the original blog post / video script that Canva spit out for me. Magic Switch is great if you have a solid video idea. But what if you are stuck and you have zero ideas? Click here to learn more ways that Canva can help you plan your videos faster. And I'll see you next time. Bye.